Well, welcome to the channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today we're going to do issue 54 of Build the Terminator. And yet again, not much to do in this episode. We're just going to be doing some more muscles, or pistons as I like to call them. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so here it is, issue 54. Let's have a quick look. So these are the parts we get this time. We do get this sort of funny shaped part, and we actually don't need that, so we need to put that to one side. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on some more muscles, I think they call them, or like I said, I like to call them pistons. And then we're just going to be attaching them to the pelvis. Now I already have attached one to the pelvis, I did that in the last issue, but I actually knew where they were going. In the next issue, we are going to fit hip parts to the top of the right thigh. So we've got that one coming next. Okay, so let's get on with the build. Turn to the right page. Now I've got a little book reader easel that I can put the instructions on. But the first thing we need to do, we need to bring this part across here and this one, and we just need to slot that into there like so, a bit like what we did previously. And then we need to bring this part across here, because what we need to do, we need to put a bit of glue on this part and then slot it into place. So let me get my glue ready. And we'll get some glue on this right here. I do like, I keep saying this, but I do like the brush on glue for the Terminator, especially for big parts. It really does make life a lot easier in the long run. Okay, so now we've got some of that on there. Just going to hold it like this, hopefully not get my fingers on the glue, which I am prone to doing. I'm just going to push that down into place, just like that. Looking fantastic. Okay, so the next part is this part here, and we need to attach that into there with some more glue. This time though, I'm going to put the glue on the inside of this tube, like I did last time, because it's a lot easier to do it that way, and then you don't get glue everywhere like I tend to. And I've always been like that with glue. I just get glue absolutely everywhere. Okay, so we need to push this into place just like that. Okay, so moving that aside, because we don't need to do any more work on that. What we do need to bring across is this part here, and we do need to bring the Terminator across. So I'll grab the Terminator. Here it is in its glory. And what we're going to do, we're just going to bob this part into here, and then what it asks us to do next is to bob that into there like so. Now I am aware that these are quite loose. I might have a look at them and see if there's a bit of a better way to sort them out. So, well, that is it in this issue actually. So there's not much, well, there isn't anything else to do. So yeah, starting to come together quite nicely. I'll be glad when we start working on the leg section, because I think that's really going to set this Terminator off. And yeah, so issue 54 done. Well, thank you for tuning into this issue of the Terminator today. I'm still really enjoying this build. I enjoy all the builds I do. They're all significant to me, really. I don't just go out there and get a build just for the sake of it. I always make sure it's something I'm into and related to. So that's why I do what I do, really. But if you like this video, then please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.